Today, we are showcasing you our 1 megawatt solar PV installation by Navitas Efficens. Welcome to Navitas Efficens, your smart energy partner. Navitas Efficens is an internationally registered brand and company working in diverse areas of energy sector since 2012. It is a ground-mounted structure with more than 3,000 solar panels. It is a farm full of solar panels harvesting energy from the almighty sun. Its design and installation is done by Navitas Efficens. Let us watch some glimpse of technical and structural details. Sturdy foundations and well-spaced pathways as per shadow analysis. Technically assisted electrical connections. As the world strives to move towards a cleaner and greener earth, we at Navitas Efficens are developing energy solutions tapping the eternal source of energy, the sun. Navitas Efficens has experienced technical and design team to accomplish any challenging project. Various central and state government schemes like PM Kusum Yojana, MSKV Yojana, etc. are promoting such projects of small solar farms in the country. PPA is signed with local DISCOM for a period of 25 years. It can be a good long-term investment plan for farmers along with farming. Such projects will definitely help us to achieve the energy independency and become an energy self-reliant nation. You can write us on our email ID for more information. Thank you.